JIEYANG QINGZHAN Rustless Steel Company Limited was founded in 1989 and owns over 300 workers in 60,000 square meters of building for alternative production lines, such as stainless steel cutlery, cookware, and kitchenware. The current capacity is 10 million pieces of cutlery and 400,000 sets of cookware and pot per month, and additional automatic machines are brought in for increasing order volume. QINGZHAN Company is located in Hechuo Industrial Area, Meiyun Town, JIEYANG City, which is well known for stainless steel products. It enjoys a good production and operation environment, about 40 minutes from Jiaoshan Airport by car, and takes 30 to 60 minutes to reach the nearby 3 high-speed train stations, enjoying convenient traffic conditions. We specialize in science and technology, working in the areas of development, production, and sales, and has the right to import and export independently, passing audit of ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, BSCI, Costco, Walmart, SCS, FCCA, Woolworths, Starbucks, Dollar General, WCA, SQP even promote us to become indispensable to our customers in Europe and America. We are in this field for 30 years, since 1989, and supply to big supermarkets such as Woolworths, Aldi, Walmart, Dollar General, and there are many stable clients with partnership over 20 years. QINGZHAN products have won a good reputation, both at home and abroad. Our aim is to be your trustworthy supplier with quality, service, professional. Welcome to contact us.
Welcome to QINGZHAN.
Welcome to QINGZHAN.
Welcome to QINGZHAN.
We are ready for you.